Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Izzy. So, I'm going to show you how to make a squishy necklace. It's simple. This is only going to be a 5-minute video. Like I say, all the videos on it ends up being 10 minutes. So, here we go. So, I'll put you down here. Not that. Okay, there. Hello. So, what you're going to need for this is a squishy. So, you're going to need one with this little hook here. Scissors. Sorry guys. Okay, so here they are. Scissors. I don't know why I'm doing this with the scissors. They're just scissors. Everyone has them. If you don't, then you can easily buy them from your local store for like $2 in my hair. What the heck is this going to be? Then you're going to need some string. I use clear. So this is how to make a necklace or a wristband or a choker or a flip thing and cool it. So here's a squishy.
Looks like it's got acne. It's in all the craters.
That's still watching this. Remembering it looks a lot better on my TV on real life.
So why are there so many craters on the moon?
You've probably seen it. It's on the news, but here we go. Sorry about the noise in the background. This is always like this. It's my house. Yeah, because we have to have plain milk because like earlier we had like a milky and soft drink. Mom, I'm filming. So what you want to do is it's alright, they won't mind. So guys, don't worry about what happened then. So this is a string. So we call it. So with the hook here, you probably already know how to make this. You don't even have to watch this video. But I want those smiles. Oh, by the way, if you don't, I want those unicorns. If you don't know what unicorns are, they're my viewers. So you want to get the string. If your string is super thick, you can easily use a needle to thread it through. And here's the thing, and here's my string here. You just want to stick it in a circle, like that. And pull it on. Like that. Okay. I haven't cut mine yet because I just haven't. So I'm going to make this a necklace. You probably don't want squishy necklaces, but I think this is pretty cool. So you want to wrap the thing around your neck. Get your scissors. Hold it from where it is. Find it a little bit and pull it back. Up. Cut it now. Okay. So now, so I just cut mine because it was annoying me. So you want to put the necklace on, which I'm doing. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my god. I will do squishy DIYs because I do a lot of squishy videos. Just changed my name to Squish. Unicorn Squishy. Okay, so here we have the thing. So we're just going to cut it from where it's at. I'm trying not to move my hair. Here it is. So I'm just going to cut this little piece here. Hold on. Oh my goodness, that was so close to falling. So this is very hard. This string is super long. Okay, there we go. Because you really don't want to cut your hair. Because if you do want to cut your hair, go to the dressers. So you want to make it that you're able to just pull it off your head, which I can easily do. I'm just going to cut this up here, like that. Okay, so it perfectly fits. So you just want to see here, see these two lines. So if you don't know how to tie a knot, here you go. So you want to get your string, like that. You want to cross it over, pinch it from where the cross is. Hold it from the two ends where the cross is. So you have the cross still. Get the left string, pull it under, and thread it through to the top, and pull. So you got two, so you got a twist. There then you want to cross over again like a cross, so it looks like that. Okay, so you want to thread it through to the circle and pull it back. So if you guys didn't get that, just type up how to do knots, because it took me forever to do it. Oh, it's already been 5 minutes. There we go again. 7-minute video. And then you just want to trim. If you have these things here like that, you just want to trim it off. Perfect. No, you're perfect. So you want to have the necklace? Here it is. So that you can just put it over on your head. And if it doesn't fit on your head,
No, I'm realistic.
like mine doesn't, because blah blah blah. Done. Or you can easily just put it on your wrist like this, which is what I do sometimes with my necklaces if they don't fit me. I put it on my wrist like that. Get it here, pull it, get it so it's like that, okay? And then I twist it a little tiny bit, twist, and then I put it back over, so it's like super loose, but it's cool. And then you can squish it and let go. And then if you have long sleeves, you can just pop it in your sleeves. Pop it in your sleeves. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna twist it 3 times actually. So then, okay, not 3 times, I guess. And then, so if you want, you can. That's my mum. So your sleeve, sneak it in, have it here. So when you're writing and working in class, this is your desk, and you're like here, and you always want to use your actual writing hand. So it just be like this. So this is my desk here. Hold on, I'll show you on the camera. So this is my desk, and this is where the squishy is, right here, in there. You just want to pop that in here, and as you can see, there's the string. If you can't, but there it is. There you go. There's the string. So that's the desk, and then with the desk, you just want to be here like this. Goodness gracious! So you're just like this, chilling, and you could probably even go to sleep with it. Hey, Daddy. So then you can take it out and do it. There you go. There's your squishy necklace. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry that it was 7 minutes and I said it was going to be 5. But alright, bye.